In this video, I'm going to talk about how to do your imgur posts and how to save the file names correctly so that we can use them efficiently in our Vohra Method worksheets. Let's go ahead and start off with a new post here, and we'll just browse here, grab some kind of a file, say this over here. Now, this is not the link that you need, and I'm going to explain why, but let me first show you the mechanics of this. It's not this link, right? To make this work, you're going to have to do a couple things. First, you're going to actually need to reload the page, and then you're going to copy the image address. And if we go over here to Slack, and we paste the imgur link just to show, notice that it has a .gif in it. It doesn't just have, something like this, where it doesn't just have something like this where it doesn't have the .gif and it actually has the .gif. And let me explain why. Slack will unfurl an image one time, and unfurl means it actually shows the image, but it won't do it multiple times for the same exact image, for the same link. So we need to be able to give a different link. And the way that we do this internally, let me go ahead and post that here. So here's that link again. What the VMH does is it adds just some random numbers to the end of this. And you'll see that it gives us that same link. Now Slack doesn't know that it's the same link, so it's going to re-unfurl it. And that way, if you're showing a question to a student many times in the same 3-minute period, it'll keep unfurling it each time. But look over here. If we go to this, if we just have this link, and I add something to it, well, in this case it works. Sometimes it works. Most of the time it doesn't work. I think today it's just trying to be extra friendly with us. So anyway, make sure you get that. There's a second issue as well, though. When it actually posts the link, when you actually post the link in Slack, here, if you have that link with the .gif or .jpeg or .png or whatever, it comes up with a nice, there's not a lot of nonsense going on around it. Whereas if you get the just the link to the page instead of the link to the image, you get something like this, which is not quite as nice. It's you have this imgur branding around it. You have the image is smaller. It's just less clean. So really try to make sure you get that actual link that has either a .jpeg or .gif or .png whenever you're copying that into the array file.